Um, so great. Mr. AD, I will request you to start your video, please, so that the people can see you.
Okay.
Great. So there are some people. Hello. So
Yes,
can
I'm
you see me,
listening.
please? Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. So there are some people. Okay. Some of the senior leaders, they have already given me some questions. So we will go one by one. Some questions are repeated, so that question we will skip. Okay, because many more my leaders has been putting efforts, and all are happy to see you. I kept everyone's mic mute because you can speak to us professionally and you can guide us with this business. So with this, I will go with the first question. Okay, what is the vision of this company?
Okay, so basically the vision of this company is actually very simple. Okay, it's like today. Okay, today we are coming in. Okay, you need to understand before I go into this question. We need to understand what is the company actually doing. Okay, because everyone will be thinking that today the company is a brokerage firm. We are focusing on forex trading. Okay, like any other trading company do. Okay, what they do, they will just focus on trading and they will not expand to other business as well. But today in IB Capital, we are not only foreign exchange like brokerage firm or anything. Okay, we are fintech. Okay, fintech innovation company is like others company. They are doing is they provide like they trade. Okay, they trade for the users. But for us, trade for the users is just part of our business. Okay, it's just part of our business. But basically, what we are focusing is actually innovate system. The system is the crucial things that we are talking about. Okay, the system, which is AIA bot system. This is our first product, which is bot AI bot. Okay, we call it IPFX. Okay, Intelligence Prime Foreign Exchange bot. Okay, this is our first business. And our second business coming out is actually under blockchain industry, a wallet system. Okay, a wallet system. So you can see from here, it's a different structure that the company is expanding. So it related to the vision that the company is going to do is we are not only focusing on brokerage firm. Although we have all the system, okay, we have all the system, we have our own broker, we have our own traders, we have our own marketing team, we have our own, everything is on our own. Okay, so this is a team that is under our company structure, fintech. Okay, because we register under fintech company, financial technology. Okay, so this company, we tend to innovate a new system. So basically, we will not only have one business, we will have several business. So I can say the resources that the company have is more than we expected. Okay, it's not like we are just like the other trading company, we are focusing on only one business. Okay, because our second product is coming out, which is IP Cloud, our wallet system. And this wallet system is not like the others. It's not like the others. I mean, like wallet. Okay, because what they can provide is just a storage for their asset. They only can store their asset. But for us, this wallet is not just a storage. They have many other features that they are able to use their asset to increase their value of their asset as well. So basically, this is our second product coming out. And after our second product coming out, we will have third product, fourth product, and fifth product. So basically, in future, what the company will have is actually we will build our own ecosystem. Okay, and this ecosystem is not like a big picture. It's actually what we have been dealing with it. Okay, we are already planned with it for this whole year. Okay, with all the product, all the roadmap and everything. Okay, so this is what our company is planning to do. So now I can say it's our first business because you guys came in, maybe you guys are new, maybe you guys didn't hear out of the whole planning of the company, but I can say this is just a first step for you guys. And our second phase is coming out, which is our second product, and then our third phase, fourth phase, and fifth phase is coming out. So slowly, you guys will see how the company progress and everything. Yes, so basically you guys can see we started since August, I can say. Okay, started to promote, started to find our pioneer leaders since August, and start from October, our business started to launch. So we have been serving all our users since August until today, and I can say there's 100%. If I say there's 100% no issue on the system, it is impossible because all systems have their we have issue. Okay, so but what we can promise is among these 6 to 7 months, okay, we have been serving our users. I can say everything, okay, they have been enjoying all the stable profit from the trading part. Okay, so this is what the companies that we are able to do and we are able to provide as well. Okay, so this is the first question of the company.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Eddie. Second question, is our system ready to take care future massive load? So I think you have been answered on that we are coming with the IP cloud.
Yes. So
So
basically, no problem, Mr. Rajesh, I understand this. Okay, so you see, previously our system is considered as okay, stable, okay, less issue as compared to now. But now why we are facing all those issues, okay, is because of the MT4 server. Because like for you guys, if you guys have your own, develop your own broker, or you guys have into a broker network, okay, you guys will know. Okay, nowadays the broker is different with the previous brokers anymore. Okay, because MT4 they have their own new policy coming up. Okay, for each of the broker. So basically, for the broker, they have their own policy, which is the server issue. Okay, the server issue. So why we are experiencing all these issues since the last few weeks until today is because of the server issue. So we have came out with some of the solutions to solve all these issue. Okay, basically, like first things, the MT4 server. Okay, so we will expand our server maybe to server 2, server 3, and server 4, and so on, to make sure that all of the internal transfer, the internal features which is related to the MT4 will be solved, will be smooth, okay, and we're not like the previously, okay, everything is still under pending. Okay, this is because of the server issue, it's not because of the system. Okay, so we are dealing with this already, okay, because of the new MT4 policy which is affected our server. So we need to find and we need to expand our server on MT4, on our broker as well, okay, in order for us to solve all these pending issue. Okay, so regard of the withdrawal, yes, everyone, okay, are worried about this. Regard of the withdrawal issue, actually, from the past 6 months, all of our users, they are receiving stable withdrawal. Okay, it's just now we are having some of the technical issue. Okay, the technical issue is because of the wallet API system issue. So by tomorrow, I believe you guys have seen the memo that we have announced. By tomorrow, we will have a massive upgrade on our wallet system. And these upgrades, after these upgrades, our wallet system will be, I can say, it will be fully utilized everything. And then you guys will experience again, start from this week with the withdrawal. You guys will get to see how fast is the withdrawal. Almost within 24 hours, it will be done. Okay, so now what we are having right now, I can say we on behalf of the company, I want to apologize because of the withdrawal issue. Maybe the withdrawal a bit slow, but after we upgrade our wallet system, okay, all of this can be solved, okay, without any hesitation. This is what the technical team, they have spoken to me and they ensure this to me as well. All right.
Great. There is a third question. The withdrawal is foolproof. You have already answered, but whatever the withdrawal we are getting, that's a foolproof.
Okay, the foolproof as in the whole process or anything?
Actually, the whole process.
The whole process, okay. As we all know, if we are going through a withdrawal on a broker, okay, it actually has to approve it manually or automatically. Okay, so previously we approve it automatically, but now we have changed it to manually. It's because of the scammer issue. Okay, it's because of the scammer issue. So we changed it to manually. So sometimes the time will be longer, but as compared to previous, okay, it will be approved within 24 hours as well. Okay, within 24 hours as well, because leaders, when they find out their money has been withdrawn, okay, without their consent, then they are able to come to us and then ask us to reject everything. Okay, so with this manual, okay, approved by our broker, okay, the system, the technical team of the broker, okay, this is the whole process of it. Okay, so basically, for our withdrawal system, we don't have to worry about this because after tomorrow upgrade, everything will be solved.
Mr. Eddie,
Yeah.
there are some questions. We may like this or we may not like this, but we should respect all the questions. I know these questions are not stupid or something, but because of some YouTube, even I am also confused. And whenever I am calling you, you are immediately responding me on YouTube or WhatsApp. But some people are confused. So I have received some good questions, and I know with a healthy decision, healthy atmosphere, you will give us answers also. There are some people who in their accounts has missed the trade, like in 17th and 18th. Some people has received only one trade. Some people has received only two trades. So are we going to reimburse them, or is there any policy for us?
Okay, so regard of the missing trade, I can say there is no missing trade coming out. Okay, because whenever the leader they come to me, they send their email, they send a screenshot, they say this trade is missing. But after I check with the technical team, I have the whole breakdown on it. Okay, all trade, all profit has been made. So if they have encountered this issue, okay, send to our support team or go to the live chat and submit this issue to our support team and let us check for you. Because sometimes I can say, okay, we are not blaming anyone. Okay, it's just we need to find out why is this issue coming up? Why they are giving all these feedbacks, all these complaints is because of first things, they doesn't know how to check. Okay, they doesn't know how to check. These are the first things. Second things, technical issue. Okay, maybe because of the MT4 server, so it caused the balance or maybe the amount is not tally. Okay, from the MT4 end and also from the IP Capital account. So there's a lot of circumstances. So what we can do for them is when they submit all these issues, give us the email, and then we will check it for them. We can check it for them. Yes.
Great. In our presentation file, there are two people. One is a COO and another is a CMO. A COO, Mr. Stephen Walter, he is not visible. Or, there are some videos regarding him. Maybe you also knows about that. So,
yes.
Are they a part of our system, or why they are not opening with us? Or is it possible that someone will come and speak to us in Zoom meeting? At least say to hi.
Okay, so basically I can say, I remember previously I've spoken to you before. And
I know.
Yes, I will speak to all the leaders as well. All of our upper management, they will not meet the leaders. Okay, this is, to be honest to everyone, I just let you guys know. Our upper management, including our CMO, our COO, our CEO, and CTO, CFO, okay, all of them are real, but they will not come out and they will not meet the leaders because they are not into the market stuff. So what they are doing is they will focus on the strategic planning. They will focus on the whole planning, the big picture of the company and everything. They will focus on their own because it's like, okay, COO, what are they doing? Okay, they need to monitor, they need to manipulate this whole system, including the traders, including everything. They need to focus on that. So when they come out, are they going to share all the technical issue or are they going to share all other things? Okay, so it's different. Like what the other company they have been doing, okay, they introduce their upper management. Okay, so you guys, everyone know, this company, this guy is behind this company. Okay, same things. After that, when the company are not able to continue, okay, will you guys able to find him? No, it's not possible. Right now, what is our current situation is we are online marketing. What we are promoting is the system. Okay, the system. When the system is sustainable, when the system is consistent, this is what we are all expecting, not from the upper management. So I can say, frankly, we will not, I mean, like, they will not come up to meet our leaders because they are not into it. So we are promoting the value of this company, not promoting the people, not promoting the company. Okay, this is useless. We are not going to repeat the same process like what the other company is doing, because this is the same ways, same topics that people they will be discussing about. Okay, regard of the company, they promote the company and everything, and then the company close down. They doesn't know who to go. So it's actually the same things. Like right now, okay, the company assigned me to focus on the market because I've experience in marketing. So company assigned me to focus on this part, okay, as a marketing director of IP Capital. So here I am, I'm focusing on everything, meeting all the leaders from all over the world, okay, and then explaining to them everything. Yes, so this is actually what the company is doing.
The next question is, after a long time, I'm seeing your face. So, so is it possible that the Team India, because today we have restricted to all the entries, all the admissions in this meeting, because this is only top senior leaders meeting. So, is it possible that in 15 days interval, can we have a question answer session, or only a group meeting with one of the person, either you or Mr. Jaden, so that they can come and speak in front of us?
Yes. Why not?
Miss, what we are requesting you, today whatever we are discussing, we are making a recording, and this recording will send it to everyone. Okay. But what is our future planning? Like when IP Cloud is coming, or some new questions are coming. So is it possible that someone from management can come and speak with us in either in 15 days?
Yes. No problem with that. I remember I told you about you schedule it and then you let me know the time, or let Mr. Jaden know the time. And then when I was busy, okay, just let Mr. Jaden assist me on this part. No problem with it.
Of course, we will make a professional meeting like today. We will choke down all the questions, and that only we can discuss with you.
Okay, no problem. We can do that. No problem.
Great.
Then,
Thank you.
I will check with my weekly schedule, and then I will update you the time as well.
So, Indian team is very strong, mentally, physically, and they are very nice also, because now, if you see the turnover, we are in a top 3 people countries. One question has come: can we have a Zoom meeting in Hindi or English through management?
Hindi, if
I can understand not Hindi but English through management. At least once in a week.
Once in a week, just let Mr. Jaden to assist on this part. We do. But right now, I can say, these few weeks, we will be very, very busy because of the withdrawal issue. So let us discuss the 7 point after we solve all the withdrawal issue.
Fine. Can we every Sunday how to leverage? Yeah, this is very much important point, and this is the very interesting subject for Mr. Jaden also. The question is, can we have every Sunday a training program where Mr. Jaden or someone can train our Team India how to leverage on IPC robotic system and maximize our earning? You got the... Yeah, Mr. Jaden is giving very nice education on that. So is it possible that at least in a 15 days, can we conduct a meeting on how to maximize our earning through leveraging part?
Yeah, Mr. Eddie, actually, I think it is not necessary to have a meeting.
Yeah.
It's just like we talk in WhatsApp. I think this is the best solution.
Okay, Mr. Rajesh, I have a solution on this. So
please.
yes. So regard of these things, it's actually very simple on this. Very simple, because like every investment, they have their own ways, like how to leverage on all of these things. And yes, you say, as you mentioned, this is very interesting and it's quite a good thing. It's quite a good thing. I will let you know. I will type you in text and then I'll update you and we can proceed this after.
Okay.
Yes, because I need to think very clearly on all these things, and then yes, we can start planning with this after I solve all the issue first.
Great. See, this person has sent messages in Marathi language, but I made in English. But I wanted to show that, see, the people were very honest and they wanted to work for this company. The first question is, what is the roadmap of the company, which you have already discussed?
Yes.
Yeah. The second question is why the system is failed every time. Because every day, if we'll see, there is some new technical issue. But I think tomorrow shutdown, the technical issue will be resolved.
Yes, mostly.
The third question is, can we get a white paper of the company?
What paper they are talking about?
Generally, this question is for, generally in cryptocurrency industry, there are a white paper. So that's why they are asking me. The next question is, and this is, many more people have asked this question, why we cannot disclose our liquidity provider. So you can tell in this very well now.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so why we cannot see the LP? Okay, it's not like we don't have the LPs. Okay, how we can prove that a company have a LP? Okay, is basically what you guys are receiving. Okay, every day, even a month, 2 months, or 3 months of all this profit is enough to prove that we have the LPs. Okay, so regard who is the LPs, why we are not disclosing this is because of this policy, okay, which is the PNC, private and confidential policy, okay, within the company and the LPs, okay, because they have the right to choose not to disclose themselves. Okay, they have the right to choose not to disclose themselves. And this is our LPs, they choose not to disclose themselves, okay, and so there is a PNC agreement, okay, between the company and the LPs. Okay, so many people, they will not accept this kind of answer, but I understand this. But a policy is policy, and agreement is agreement. When the company say we will not disclose who is our LP because of PNC issue, okay, then this is actually the answer.
Great. The next question is, this gentleman is asking, he is doing network marketing since long. So he is asking, how many months or year can we work in this company? Again, he don't wanted to change the company because this company will also shut down. So
yes.
What great answer you can give it to us?
Okay, so
what is the stability? What is the stability of our company?
Yes, okay. So why some of the company, okay, this is very simple and also a very tricky question, okay? very, very tricky because this question is a no answer question, okay? But if the company is able to answer it, then maybe some of them have to consider about this, okay, whether to work or not, because we don't force people to work, but we use all those facts to convince people, okay, let them think themselves. Okay, how long we can work in this company as a networker? No matter today you are a networker or today you are investor, how long this company will last, how sustainability of this company is going to be, is very simple. Why some of the company, the previous company, they are not able to last long? Okay, it's because of they are using the behind people money to pay the first batch of people. Okay, when this process is coming out, I can say with this kind of ROI plan, okay, the company will not last more than 2 to 3 months. Very simple facts. Okay, when these things happen, the company is using the behind people's money to pay the first batch of people. Then when the third batch is coming in, how the company is going to pay out everything? Okay, this is not going to make any sense. Okay, so how IP Capital pay out all these bonus? Okay, it's very simple. You guys enjoying all the profit from our system, AIA bot system. Of course, the company, we have our own AIA, our master account as well. Okay, we will have our own master account. So you guys will see all the profit generated there is a 20% of profit sharing. Okay, we every time when we mention this 20% of profit sharing, we will say this 20% is to pay the bonus. Then some people, they will think, because they want to bring down the company, they will find all those tricky questions to ask the company. We all know that this 20% is not enough to pay all the bonuses. Then how the company is going to pay, right? Just like I mentioned, we have our own master account on the board system, the Genius board. All the 20% coming out, it goes to our master account. So whenever our community grows larger, or even they multiply, okay, this master account, our trading capital, okay, will grows bigger. It's like a snowball, keep on growing. Okay, when the larger the trading the capital, okay, the larger the profit the company will make in a week. So this is how the company pay out with all the bonuses. Okay, how we pay out with all the bonuses. Where does the money come from? The money not come from the leaders. The money come from the market, trading. So this is actually what the company is earning. This is the first earning. And the second profit that the company is earning from is actually from the spread of fees. And the third is from the transaction fees, because we all know that brokers, what they are trading, I mean like what they are earning and what is the biggest profit is actually from the transfer fees. The transfer fees, this is our the brokers' biggest profit that they will make. Okay, so when people they ask about, is the company making profit? Yes, then this company is definitely going to last long. So with this kind of process and everything, this company, I can say, now we are more than 6 months already, and 1 year shouldn't be a problem, because 1 year is very simple. But I can say minimum of 3 to 5 years shouldn't be a problem. It's very easy for us to grow that big, because with this 7 months, okay, 7 months, our users already more than 100,000. Now is almost 200,000 of users, okay, in our AIA boss system. So you can see how the business fly. Okay.
Right. So the next question is, some investors in India or networkers are saying that Rajesh Mahajan is a part of management. Why he cannot take a strong decisions? So first of all, let me speak to all. I am not at all a part of management. Second thing, Mr. AD or Mr. Jaden, they are speaking with me only on phone. Not only on phone, also they are speaking with me only on WhatsApp chat. Okay. I think this is the second time I am speaking with Mr. AD. So I am not a part of management. So Mr. AD, will you please speak on this, please?
Yes, okay. So I can say whether they are from the management or not from the management as well, this is an online marketing business. So what an online marketing business is, we don't need to worry about who is part of the management and everything, because you guys, no matter you are investor or no matter you are networker, okay, even myself, I came out with a networker, but now I'm becoming a representative. Okay, I have my own team as well. Okay, so basically what we are doing right now, I can say, no matter Mr. Rajesh is the part of management or not, but he already made a clarification on that part. He's not part of the management, but I can say I'm part of the management. But regard of making a decision or not, okay, what kind of decision that you guys are talking about? Is it like all those support, or is it like other things that you guys need to make any changes? Because what the company is doing right now, I can say, not everyone they are requesting and asking about this kind of question as well.
Who is the liquidity? Why company is not taking big server? So when we are coming with IP Cloud, we have any idea on that?
Yes. I think before June, okay, before June, it will be coming up.
Okay. So why company CMO? We have already. Where is company office?
Okay. So company office, I can say right now, leaders, they are setting up their own office. Okay, and we are still finding a place to sell an office as well, but the company's registered address is located in Canada. So our leaders already maybe like set up their office in Turkey, and some of them have already registered an office in Nigeria and Ghana as well. So leaders, they are doing this part because we can't set up an office in each of the country because we are dealing business globally. If we set up an office, meaning that each of the countries, the company have to set up. It is more than 50 countries that we are dealing. So if the company is going to like set up an office, each country we have to set up. So rather we let the leaders to set up their own, then we will just leave it for them to set up everything. Because right now,
I have one question on that, Saidi. Maybe again I am repeating the same. Maybe you like this or you don't like this. You know, we are having a registered office in Canada, but all over the world, you know, because the networkers are very smart. From different world, people has gone to that registered office, and what they found that a beautiful liquor showroom there in that registered office. So that's why this question has come.
Yes.
You know, please.
Address. Yes, the registered address. Yes, because with the company, we need to register the company. Okay, there must be a registered address. Okay, which is in Canada. Of course, where does our people they are working? Okay, is actually all over the world. Because this is what an online marketing business they are doing with it. Okay, it's not like the other business anymore, Mr. Rajesh.
Great, no issue there. Snore website and MT4 issue. It's okay. Can future deposit and withdrawal in INR possible? Indian rupees.
Yes, I can say with all the fiat, it's not possible. With fiat, it's not possible because if we are going to do it in INR, meaning that we need to add on dollars, we need to add on other countries' currency and everything, and going through fiat is going to be very complicated process.
Withdrawal is a problem. MT4 issue solved. The trade are taking place. MT4, yeah, that was yesterday's problem. The trade was taking place, and it was not showing the profit in MT4 as well as our MT4 trading account also. So on this, actually, I wanted to tell all the people on behalf of you, Mr. Eddy, you know, the system, when they are doing something, I am requesting everyone to keep patience. Sometimes technical issues may come, but the technical issues will be resolved very soon, within a day or two. So please keep patience. So Mr. Eddy, what you will say about this? Because, you know, yesterday and today, whatever the trade was happening, the profit was not coming in balance in MT4 as well as in our trading account also, MT4 trading account also.
Okay, so this is because of, I can say the system. This is not a technical issue. Okay, this is not a technical issue because I have received a lot of feedback that they are saying that their third trade is not added to their trading capital. Okay, because of our system. After the third trade has been done, okay, our system, we will distribute all the profit. Okay, and it will be added to the trading capital after all the profit has been distributed. So it's just a matter of time. Okay, all we need to do is just wait for a while, and then the profit will add on to the trading capital as well. This is not an issue. This is just regard of the patience. Yes.
Why we can't use MT5 instead of MT4? Because MT5 is advanced in his opinion.
Different brokers, they will choose, okay, like maybe new generation of the broker, or maybe some of the people, they are going to use up to a more advanced of all those features. Okay, they will choose to use MT5. But for us, okay, we are familiar with all the function in MT4, and some of the new features, some of the function that is on MT5, we don't use it. So we will remain in MT4, but MT4 and MT5 is actually the same.
There is one question. KYC is a big problem, and sometimes, you know, KYC takes 10 days to approve. And you know, in India, we are really facing about the KYC problem. So,
Okay.
how can we resolve? Because, Mr. Jaden also knows very well. And the KYC is, even you also knows very well. KYC, sometime what happened, this is a really technical issue, because if we will not receive the TRC wallet address, then people are losing the confidence, patience, and they are again registering themselves with the same name and same document. So that time the KYC doesn't get approved. So how can we help people on KYC approval?
Okay, so KYC is a big problem. I can say it is not a problem, and it's not even that should be showing in this slide. Okay, we already mentioned the company's rules, the company's policy, and everything. One account can only have one identity. So what is the reason that makes everyone to create maybe 2 to 3, maybe even 5 accounts? Okay, what is the purpose? Everyone think that this 5 account is going to benefit them? No. Okay, if they choose to create maybe 2 accounts, then you don't blame for the first account KYC has been approved and the second account KYC is not approved. Okay, it's because one account can only have one identity. We have mentioned this several times. Okay, so don't come to me and then tell me that, oh, the KYC is the big problem. Since the last 10 days or even last 30 days, last month, okay, my KYC has not been approved. It's because of multiple documents have been submitted in several accounts. This is not going to be approved even they submitted 100 or 1,000 times. Okay, because a rule is a rule. One account can only have one identity. Yes.
There actually one question has not arrived by people here, but connecting to this, some people are having Yahoo account, and Yahoo, they don't get OTP in Yahoo account. So can we change Yahoo account to Gmail account?
Yes, they can change, but they need to verify themselves. Okay, they need to verify themselves in order to prevent all the scammer, okay, to ask us to change the email for them. Okay, they need to verify themselves whether these things, because we have encountered some of the leaders, they are complaining about their email has been changed, so they are not able to log into their account. Okay, it's because of they are not paying attention to their own account as well. So regardless of this, if they want to change, okay, they are able to change it, no problem. But first, they have to prove to us if this account, okay, I mean like they are the owner of this account. Okay, if they are able to prove that, yes, then we can change it, no problem. This is a very fast process.
Great. The next question, liquidity provider already, physical address Canadian, okay. Why company does not have IIROC registration? When this is very important question, Mr. Eddie, maybe you can give us some light on that. If in Canada we wanted to do the Forex broking, we should have to have a IIROC registration. So why we are not entering in IIROC registration?
Okay, IIROC registration is actually in, a government department in Canada. Okay, and these things I have asked from the company, and I get a clarification, and I even search it on Google. These things is actually they are going to protect the people in Canada. If we are dealing business in Canada, okay, if we are dealing business in Canada, yes, we need to register this. Okay, but right now we are not doing business in Canada. We are registered in Canada, but all we do is we provide a system. Okay, we provide a system for people to trade with it, or for people to subscribe to our system. So regard of this registration and everything, okay, is when we are dealing business in Canada, okay, then we need to register this.
Great. This question is important, Mr. Eddie. Now we are internal transfer. We have made a changes to $20. So if one person is investment is $100, so he will take more time to earn $20, and he cannot make the compounding business. He cannot do the compounding. So is it not possible that we can make it to $5?
Okay, a very simple question. Why we adjust the internet transfer, okay, with a minimum amount of $20, okay, or $20, yes, okay, it's because, do you guys experience before everyone when they made the internet transfer, okay, why is it showing pending and maybe it takes up to 2 days to be approved for the internet transfer? It's because of everyone. They are doing internet transfer with $1, $2, $3, and even $5. Okay, there's a lot of this kind of lump sum pending internet transfer with this kind of amount. Okay, and when we encounter MT4 server issue, these things become a bug. Okay, become a bug transaction for the system to be approved. Okay, so in order to cut down all the approval of the internet transfer and to make ease of our MT4 server, okay, this is the way that the company is giving out with a solution. Okay, with a minimum amount of $20 for the internet transfer.
The next question you have already answered. The last question, that is question number 6. All broker accept and give payment in local currencies through Visa, bank wire, PayPal. So are we planning to accept payment through bank wire or PayPal?
No.
In future?
No. Yes.
Yeah, because I have seen this today's announcement that we are going to accept the USDT through ERC20 also.
Yes. Okay. So, why is it we are not accepting Visa or Master or PayPal and everything? Okay. The reason is because this company, we are not dealing with. Okay. Basically, all of this can be done, no problem. If the leaders insist us to add on, it can be done. But higher transaction fees, longer time to reach their account, can they accept this? If can, then we can proceed, no problem. Because of a lot of leaders, they want fast payment. They are worried about this company. And the other thing is all brokers. Yes, they mentioned about brokers. We are not brokerage firm. We are fintech. So we have a lot of business. So it's easy for us to accept cryptocurrency as a payment.
This gentleman has found out the IIROC, but you have already answered the question. The next, may I know who is the liquidity? IPC not showing live trade. Yeah, IPC not showing live trade on MT4.
Yes, we are not showing live trade on MT4. It's because of trading. Okay, if people they know how to trade, it's easy for us to copy the strategy. Okay, because bot trading and human traders is different. Human traders or manual trading, okay, they trade based on their experience or based on any EA. Okay, but for us, bot trading, they are not trading based on anything, based on emotion, based on their experience, or based on anything. Bot trading, they based on strategy. So once we have disclosed, once we have shown everyone the live trade, it's easy for them to catch up with the strategy. Once they already know the strategy of our bot trading, then who will come to us and who will subscribe to the bot? All they need to do is just copy our strategy and then trade for themselves.
Next question is why management are not having proper support system for their clients? Mr. Eddy, this is really serious question. We have a live chat, but unfortunately, people don't get support through live chat 2 to 3 days also. And every time we are going to rush with Mr. Jaden, and this person, 24/7, Mr. Jaden is available. And we are, he is helping us a lot. There is no word for him. But, why there is no proper, like an email, so that everyone can send mail to the company, so that company will accept the mail and reply them to all. Because support system is really very big from our end.
Okay. Regard of the live chat, okay, I have monitored it myself, okay, when we have launched it, okay. So what I have been seeing is no proper user feedback, okay, is because of a lot of people, they are just trying with the live chat, okay, trying with the live chat. So they will spend all those stupid questions in the live chat, okay, in order to get the company attention on this. So there's a lot of pending, okay, there's a lot of pending chat, okay, which is on the live chat because of a lot of people, they are spamming it, okay. And why support email is because of email is easy for people to send. You know, when we start to launch our email support email, okay, first day, we have more than 10,000 of mail. And I've checked with a few, yes, 10,000 of mail, first day, 1 hour time, 10,000 of mail. So this 10,000 of mail, more than 50% of email that have been sent is spam mail. Okay, it's spam mail. They are just sending it. Okay, like for example, there's an issue. Okay, we require them to send us the details. Okay, they send email, their email. Okay, they send their wallet address. They send it for second email, and the amount they send it for the third email. So basically, one question, we have 3 emails sending to the company. So it is very hard for us to do it. So the proper way, and we are going to improve and upgrade our live chat as well. Okay, I will have a more narrow and a more accurate topics for them to choose which issue for them to update as well. So this is the things that we are going to solve it after that for the live chat. So right now, let me focus on the withdrawal issue, and then we will start focusing on the live chat.
The next question is why users are not allowed to take self-trade on this platform?
Definitely, because we have our own bot system, and the company main product is bot trading, which is they don't have to trade for themselves. So what for the companies still open up manual trading for our users to take the risk for their assets, for their money? It doesn't make any sense. So we will not open up for the self-trade.
Why IPC don't have any negative trade? You know, all positive trade, you know, we are very happy, but you know, some people, even everyone thinks there is not a single negative trade in this company.
This is
Since
the
last
strength,
2 months.
this is the strength of our bot system. Do you guys want negative trade? If I provide you negative trade, like for example, Genius bot, they trade 3 times in a day, and there's 2 negative trade and 1 positive trade. Do you guys happy with it? Do you guys accept with it? So this is the question I doesn't know. People like we are providing all the stable profit, but people they still ask this kind of question. Is because of maybe the trust issue, or maybe some of they are from other company and they are trying to sabotage the company with this kind of question. It doesn't even make any sense. The bot trade on strategies. Okay, so I can say if the bot they are not trading on the right strategies, then you will see what is called negative trade. Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Eddy, this is the last page for the questions. Okay. Every Saturday, Monday, withdrawal problem comes by showing different reason every time. Why it can be smooth? You have already answered on that.
I need to answer again. I need to answer again.
Please.
Not every Saturday until Monday we have withdrawal problem. It's just these 2 weeks. Okay, we are encountered this issue. Okay, it's just these 2 weeks. Maybe you just join in because in between these 2 weeks, so you are encountering this issue, withdrawal issue. But before that, okay, all issue for like on withdrawal is very smooth. You can ask Mr. Rajesh on this, or maybe there's some of the leaders they are joining since December or November. You guys will get to see, okay, our withdrawal system, how strong we are. It's just these 2 weeks we are having this issue, but we are solving it start from tomorrow.
The next question is why individual account opening and trading not allowed like all other? You have already answered.
Yes.
Self-trading, why it is not possible. Live trade of master account, Genius bot live trade, investor password of master. Live. Why we are giving master password when there is no when we cannot make any live self-trading?
No, I think this question is asking for they want the investor password of the company's master account.
Live trade of master account, Genius bot live trade, investor password of master account.
Yes, I can provide it, no problem. Unless they are the shareholders of the company, I can provide. But we are not able to provide actually because they are not the shareholders, and this is the top confidential of the company. Our asset, how can the company disclose the asset to the leaders, to the investor? It's not possible for us to disclose that.
There is one question actually. One of our daily gentlemen used to ask us every time. We have a investor password of Mr. Jaden. Okay. Sometime what happened? We can able to see Jaden's trading half an hour before, and then we can see the same account reflected half an hour to our account. So how it is possible? Means Jaden's investor password account is getting trade before, and we are getting trade later. But the trade are same, MMID is same.
Okay, just now I mentioned this because the system, they need to distribute the profit. They need to distribute the profit. Okay, so when they are distributing, not every account they receive immediately. It depends. And also, this is because of the system that we are using for the profit distributing. Okay, and the other thing is because of what do we call that? Yes, each account, okay, the board will trade themselves separately. So this is the reason why Mr. Jaden's account is showing 2 hours before your profit is showing in your account. You get what I mean?
The last question actually we have already discussed why the identity of owners are hidden, why they are don't come and interact with the users at least in a month. Even management people not coming forward and interacting to community at least. So you have already committed that we will meet every after 15 days. You know, we will not request you to come and spend your time because we know that you are really very busy. But at least, you know, Mr. Jaden, now, you know, because of this meeting, it takes only 1 hour, 15 minutes. But your this 1 hour, 15 minutes is really, really very helpful for us. So,
Okay. Hello. Hello.
One minute, Mr. Eddy, 1 minute. Hello.
Yes, Mr. Rajesh.
Yeah, you can start. Yes, can you hear me? Yeah, this was about the question. At the end, before concluding to the meeting,
Okay, no problem.
the last question actually that was already over. Support system is not responding. Okay, that you have discussed. So, what message you are going to give to Team India?
What did you say, Mr. Rajesh?
Yeah, I said at the end, before concluding the meeting, what will be your message to Team India?
Okay.
Finally.
Okay, so basically, for what we are experiencing right now, okay, the biggest issue, okay, and also the most crucial issue is going to be the withdrawal system. But but I want to tell you guys that regard of the withdrawal issue, we don't have to worry about it, okay, because I received a lot of feedback, Okay, it creates a lot of unnecessary panic, okay, because of the withdrawal issue. Okay, as I mentioned before, we have been providing our users with all the stable profit, including the withdrawal, for more than 6 months. It's just this 2 weeks we are experiencing and we are encountered this technical issue on the withdrawal part. Okay, so it's just this 2 weeks and we already have a solution, okay, which is a major upgrade by tomorrow on our wallet API system. And all of these things has been done, okay, meaning that start from this week onwards, our withdrawal system is going to be solved all the time. Okay, so right now, okay, let's not be panic about it and let all your leaders know about this, that we are going to have a very stable system. Okay, the most important thing is going to be the consistency of the system. Okay, we are not talking about the other things. We are talking about the consistency of the system, including the withdrawals and everything. Okay, including the funding system as well. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I will be continuously focus on the system as well. Okay, so basically this is everything that I'm going to say and what we're going to provide for our leaders, okay, for everything. So withdrawal system is not an issue because we already have the solution on this part, and then we will solve it as soon as possible by tomorrow. Okay, everything we will be having those upgrades and everything, and then this week, okay, you guys will be seeing that the withdrawal system has back to normal and even faster and even have more features, okay, more choices for us to in funding. Okay, so this is all I'm going to say, Mr. Rajesh.
Okay, fine, Mr. AD. Thanks to you and Mr. Jaden for your time. And I hope next time we will come with open meeting same after 15 days when you will get the time also. So on behalf of Team India, I am thanking you to all you and Mr. Jaden. So thank you once again, and see you soon.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Rajesh. Thank you, everyone. Okay, bye for now.
Bye. See you.
All right.